Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop unwanted DMs on Discord. If you're tired of random messages from strangers on Discord, then here is how you can put a stop to them. First of all, open the Discord application on your desktop or your mobile device and then make sure that you're logged in. Click on the server from the left inside menu from where you are getting unwanted DMs. After you do that, go ahead and tap on the server's name at the top and scroll down, toggle off the button right next to allow direct messages, and right after you do that, you will be able to block DMs from the non-friends in the server. You will need to repeat this for every server. If you want to only allow DMs from friends, then you can go ahead and tap on the U button at the bottom right from your homepage and tap on the gear icon at the top right, and then tap on Content and Social. Now, scroll down from the menu and under Server Settings, toggle off the button right next to Direct Messages. Click on Yes, and then, with these settings in place, you'll have full control over who can reach out to you on Discord. If you want to block a specific user, then you can find the person that keeps messaging you from the DM itself and then choose to block them right from your DMs. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.